Today you're in for a treat. I've got but 3 recipes for you. They're quick and easy and all by Hungry Bird. First step is to heat the chickpeas. You can do it in the microwave or on the stovetop. I prefer to do it on the stovetop. Just gonna pour that in there. Be very careful with curry, it stains, so just want to keep that in mind. Stay tuned till the end so that you can get a coupon code to save you $50 off your first order with Hungry Root. So put that on there and warm it up. That's all. The ingredients and the instructions for this recipe and the remaining recipes in this video will be in the description box below. Okay, I've got my wrap. I'm going to put some of the curried chickpeas on the wrap. Okay, a little bit of that in there. Spinach, put that on top, along with the avocado crema. And on top. And this is what it looks like. Pretty good. You can see the chickpea down there. Today for lunch, I'm making what they call a craveable chorizo street corn grain bowl. So I have organic ranch, a ripe avocado, pickled onions, Mexican street corn, and some plant-based chorizo. I'm start by browning this. Well, it's already brown, but I guess I need to just warm it up. You saw the package that it came in, so we just want to make sure that it's heated all the way through. Next, we're gonna cut the avocado in half. Okay, now we're gonna microwave the Mexican street corn. Just need to peel off the side here, or open it on this one side. Kind of push everything down so it doesn't come out. Look to the side a little bit. Stuff's still coming out. I'm gonna take this. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So put it for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Grab a bowl. Then the next step is to divide the rice and chorizo in a bowl. We're going to put half of the rice in the bowl. Say that's half. And put half of this in a bowl. then we're going to take some of the pickled onions, open that. That's the pickled onions. We're going to take a spoon full of that, or more. I'm just going to slice the avocado like that. Use a spoon and scoop it out. Okay. Then we're going to drizzle some of the ranch dressing on top. We'll do half of that because this is supposed to make 2 servings. That's why we're doing half of everything. So we will then drizzle, I guess, or dollop, whatever, some of the sauce on there. Okay, I would say that's half. And this is what it looks like. And we will see how it tastes. Okay, for the moment of truth, I'm going to take a little bit of the rice with the sauce, the chorizo, the avocado. Well, that has too much sauce. Let's try again. Get some avocado, the onions, the chorizo. Have a little bit of everything on there. Yeah, not bad. I'll give it a 7.5. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.